Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Improving your handwriting takes practice and patience. Here are some tips to help you achieve beautiful handwriting. Practice regularly. Dedicate time each day to practice your handwriting. Consistency is key. Choose the right tools. Find a pen or pencil that feels comfortable in your hand and flows smoothly on paper. Work on your grip. Hold the writing instrument properly to ensure better control and comfort. Focus on letter shapes. Pay attention to each letter's form and consistency. Practice writing individual letters until you're satisfied with their appearance. Use lined paper. Lined paper helps maintain uniform size and spacing between letters and words. Slow down. Write slowly and deliberately, especially when you're practicing. Speed can come later as your handwriting improves. Copy good examples. Find handwriting samples you admire and try to replicate them. Practice letter connections. Work on smoothly connecting letters within words. This can make your handwriting look more fluid. Experiment with styles. Explore different handwriting styles, like cursive or calligraphy, to find one that suits you. Be patient. Handwriting improvement takes time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep practicing, and your handwriting will gradually improve. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.